Okay, all right. So there is a question from Derek. How do you think about portfolio allocation? Do you try to keep multiple uncorrelated assets? How many positions do you hold?
And to me, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Well,
You're still on the hot seat,
it's
Matthew.
yeah, that's fine. I'll keep going as long. Now we're getting into real morning here, so we can
Get some more coffee if you want.
So no, I'm ready now. So it's a very good question. I will tell you directly. I'm not trying to check boxes or fill a whole bunch of different sectors. That's just not what we're doing. If everything that we found and everything looked attractive in one space, we may be pretty concentrated in that particular sector. So there's nothing requiring us to be in any particular area. However, I do find it prudent to have, because there's unknown unknowns. There's people who know they don't know, and there's people who don't know they don't know. And at least we know we don't know. So there can be externalities that affect things in unexpected ways. So it's prudent to have some different characteristics within the portfolio. So we have incredibly diverse cash flows, and I do pay some attention to it. If there are two ideas and they both look similar, and one creates this whole new diversity in terms of future cash flow in our portfolio, and the other is similar to an existing position, I'd prefer to have the diversification. The types of things we have are very rare and unique. Okay, we have, first of all, we're using puts and things, so we're creating these premiums to get into these firms in many cases, but we own, for example, Daily Journal. Okay, that revenue comes from like municipal tax income. We have stuff from Berkshire Hathaway, which is a big broad base. We own 3% of a firm started by Manish Pabrai, which is Dondo Holdings. It's actually a private entity, and this entity inside of it has $100 million hedge fund focused on India. So we own the business sitting on top of that hedge fund. That's an incredibly diverse sort of source of revenue. Similarly, we actually set up a capital pipe. My wife is from Istanbul. We have a capital pipe that goes out to the Middle East, and we own a bunch of companies like, we have portfolio over there. Talus Capital is a fund we have over there, and we own things like the Coca-Cola bottling company of the Middle East through that capital pipe. So these are like, we are looking to have, we have no mandate to have diverse cash flows and revenues and businesses, but it is prudent to, I think about things in that manner. So that's, high level, that's the approach we take.
Follow Matthew Peterson at his website and YouTube channel, with the links included in the video description below. If you have enjoyed this video, please smash the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our investment forum at Facebook. Link in the description below.